I might need your help. Also got some of my Halloween costume delivered. I'm gonna need your help. I can only carry these two. Unboxing. If this is what I think it is, Casa Brews sent me an espresso machine. It is! This is crazy. This is my first real piece of PR. This is so crazy. My neighbor is the freaking cutest little old lady ever, and she always makes us goodies. And I don't want to talk about this, okay? I'm pretending it's not there till later. I'm about to leave to go work out. I made white chicken chili yesterday, so I'm just gonna put that into the crock pot so it's nice and warm when I get home.